Hello YouTubers, I'm back. I'm so excited. I finally got my laptop fixed after like a year almost of being absent. I'm sorry for all of my subscribers, but I'm finally back. One new thing about me, I'm blonde, as you guys can see. Hopefully you like it. It's a huge change. It's been forever since I've been blonde, so I'm loving it. Another thing, I asked yesterday on Facebook what you guys wanted me to do a video on, and a lot of you said to send out shoutouts, oh my gosh, whatever, hi to everyone. So here's the names: Juanito, Elizabeth, and Stephanie Zamora, and many others that I didn't write down your names, I'm sorry, but shoutouts to you guys. Mwah, love you, and thank you so much for subscribing to me, if you have. Anyway, so yeah, I have really exciting news. Other than the fact that I'm going to be an aunt in like a month. I'm so excited. Well, a month and a half. Anyway, I'm going back to school. I'm going to cosmetology school. I'm finally completing my degree and what I started like 2 years ago. I never got to finish because of work. So I'm super excited about that. Another thing. Sorry, I'm like, I don't know. I feel like I'm going out of breath. I'm like so excited that I'm going out of breath. Anyway, another thing is I'm selling like half of my closet. I'm like remodeling my whole room. So yeah, yeah, I don't want to show you guys my whole room, but I took out everything from the walls. It's like super empty right now except this little corner, which is my favorite corner. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. And yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys want me to do tutorials on. I think I want to do a tutorial on the look that I have on my face right now. So yeah, hopefully you guys watch it, like it, and favorite it. And again, sorry for my mistakes, and sorry for being absent for so long. And talk to you guys later. Mwah, I love you.